Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Talent enables companies to manage their property or assets they issue to workers. A company can loan items either for a finite time for the duration of the worker's employment and record the worker to which the assets are loaned. Now, to use the functionality, a company must set up loan types and then set up loan items. Now, loan types for employees include general categories of items that employers can loan to workers, such as mobile phones or computers. The actual item brand and serial number are registered on the loan item. Another example is a credit card. Workers may hold several company credit cards, but only one loan type is called credit card. This means that loan types can include many different loan items. Now, loan items are specific and uniquely identifiable items or assets that employers issue to workers. For example, a QTech 8310 smartphone with serial number ABC blah blah, or with credit card with each credit card's unique numbers. You can have a single loan. You can create a single loan item by clicking the new button in the action pane of the loan items form. You can create new loan items with higher quantities from the create loan items button in the action pane of the same form. Because the loan functionality enables a business to control ownership and the time frames for which an item can be borrowed or issued, some companies also use loans for administering shared company resources such as projectors, flip charts, meeting rooms, and shared presentation notebooks. Now, loan items are records that help you keep track of the physical items, the actual items that your company lends to workers. Although each item is uniquely identifiable, each belongs to the category indicated by the loan type. The following are examples of common loan items, things such as notebook and home computers, home internet connections, handheld devices such as mobiles or mobile phones, tablets, or company credit cards. Now, each physical item must have a corresponding loan item. Each loan item record should describe what is being loaned, who's responsible for the loan, and the number of days that the item can be on loan. You can create multiple loan items that are similar, such as series of keys, series of access cards, or uniforms, all at the same time. When loaning an item, enter the date that the item was loaned and the planned return date. When the item is returned, enter the actual return date. In personnel management, you can open the loan items and then loaned equipment to see all equipment currently on loan, including the person's name, loan item, loan date, planned return date, and then the actual return date. By clicking a loan item, you can open the loan items form and review the status of the specific loan item. Now, the status field is determined by the loaned equipment form, where individual items are checked out. In other words, they're in the status of loaned, and then returned, where the status would be available. This field cannot be changed manually. This page also includes information such as grace periods and serial numbers. Now, to learn more about how to set up and loan equipment, refer to the Worker and Position Actions course in Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Talent, available on the Dynamics Learning Portal. Now, if an item that you've loaned out becomes damaged or misplaced, you're going to click the Edit button on the action pane of the loaned equipment form and enter a return date in the actual return field for the appropriate line. Now, note that you cannot change the status of a loaned item to prevent it from being loaned out. Now, if you need to prevent the item from being loaned, you can do one of the following. First, you can simply delete the item, or you can change the description for the item on the loan items page to indicate that the item is no longer available.